JL hinges. Going to swap on my 15 model JK today. Got these off of Amazon. They're about 32 bucks, and link is down below in the description. But you can see how these work. A lot better than the factory ones. This hooks over the top part and hood, and then you latch up, make it tight just like a JL Wrangler. These are made with the correct tabs to go into a JK fender. You can't see those under there. Regular cardboard box, that's what you get. This does a pair, and it's an easy, probably 15-minute install. The lower hinge, there's a 13mm nut on the back side, and if you use a 1/4-inch ratchet and 13mm socket on it, the head of the ratchet will fit right in there, and you can get your socket on that nut to get it out. And the top is just 10mm, real easy to swap out. Like I said, 10-15 minutes, and you can easily be done with this swap, but it'll stop hood flutter if you're having that problem on your JK. Here they are installed. Again, this is JL Wrangler hood catch swap to eliminate hood flutter on your JK. So these are off of Amazon, 32 bucks. The Mopar ones are made in the US, I'm sure, or somewhere close. They're about 80 bucks. So these are a little bit cheaper, Chinese made, but you can see how they work. So you pop that latch over the top, right there. So it's very secure to eliminate hood flutter on your JK.